Hey guys, let's review this Tapo C211. That's a pan and tilt home security camera with 2K resolution. I have the camera already working here close to my window, and you see here the image on my cell phone. I'm just using a Tapo app and it works pretty fine, and you can use the app also to see different cameras at the same time, right? Let me just grab it here so you see how it works. So basically here is a camera. On the top you can turn like the pan movement horizontally and the vertical movement, which is the tilt, right? There's an LED that shows the camera is working, a lens, and here a microphone. Down here you see that the camera has a slot for an SD card and a reset button, right? And you can just use the camera like this on a desk, or you can install that way on a ceiling, and the camera keeps monitoring everything around. So super simple to use this one. Let me just put it back there so see how it works. When there's motion, see that the camera is looking outside, and again from here I can just check the camera and I can control with the pen and tilt movement. Let me just get here into this menu, and when I tap here, see that I control the camera. It takes a while to respond, but it works pretty fine. Okay, see somebody passing there, the camera can see it, and here I can just control the pen and tilt, also patrol, so I can set up the camera to go from place to place and do a patrol or a panel as well, a panoramic view. And I can control everything from here, like talk to somebody close to the camera, and alarm, so somebody approaches the camera, there's a flashing light and also an audio, so you can scare people around. Here you can just take a screenshot, record locally as well in your phone, so it stops recording here. It's recording here on the phone, but it can also record on the camera every time there's motion, right? So it records 24/7. Here you can control the audio, enable or disable the microphone on the camera, and talk to somebody that approaches there. Use the privacy mode, so if I want some privacy, I just click here, and then I can bring it back, and I can just play back and see everything that's recorded, right? In the SD card here with motion, you see here motion, and that's represented by a person, so it can detect person moving in front of the camera, and also cars by detecting motion. When I come here, for example, I can select the detection mode, right? For person or motion. Also camera tampering, if somebody blocks the camera, you're gonna have an alarm here, or baby crying. Super good, super easy to use as well. You just put a card there, and there's a storage here. You can just come and format the card. Enable loop recording, so the camera is going to record and delete old videos and record the new ones. All right, super simple. You can also use a hub here. I have a hub on my network, so a Tapo hub. I can record into the hub as well. So 3 ways to record. You can record into the camera's SD card on a local hub that I have here with the SD card as well, back there on the hub, or you can record into the cloud. Super simple. Let me just bring back here to record into the camera itself. And from here, you see that I can have a schedule to record by motion detection, and also I can have a recording. Let me just get some focus. There we go, better now. So I can also record continuously. So super simple to work that way. Record sound as well, as you can see here, back here. So you see that I have video display. I can control here the resolution, frame rate, privacy zones. So if I want to block some area, I can control from here as well. And also display the tags on the screen. See that's available here. So if there's motion in front of the camera, I can see the tags working here, right? And super simple to use. You can also try for 30 days the cloud storage. And after this, if you want, you can just keep paying monthly to have everything restored in the cloud as well, right? So I've been using this camera for some time. It works pretty good. It also works with Echo Show, with Fire TV, tablets, whatever you have available there. Let me just show you here. Alexa, show window camera.
Did you mean window?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me just put the volume down here. So it's bringing the camera, and it's good to go. So super simple to set up with Alexa as well, right? So hope that helps. That's the way you can have your Tapo C211 working. and this is my quick review, right? So just give your a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. I'll leave the link here in the description for this camera, and I see you in the next video.